Are you tired of hopping into a freezing cold or scorching hot car? What if you could start your engine with the press of a button from the comfort of your home? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to install a remote start system on your Kia Sorento. This isn't just a guide, it's your ticket to comfort and convenience, all while saving you a ton of money on professional installation fees. We'll cover everything from the tools you need to the crucial programming steps, so you can successfully tackle this project yourself. Let's get started. Before we jump in, a quick but important disclaimer. We'll be working with your vehicle's electrical system, so always follow the instructions from your remote start kit and this guide. If you ever feel unsure, it's always best to consult a professional. First things first, let's talk about the tools and materials you'll need. You'll need a remote start kit compatible with your specific Kia, Sorento year and trim, a trim removal toolkit, a ratchet set, screwdrivers, wire cutters and strippers, electrical tape, and a multimeter or test light. Now, let's get to the installation. The first step is crucial for your safety and your car's electronics disconnecting the battery. Open your hood, locate the negative, battery terminal, and use a wrench to loosen the bolt. Lift the clamp off and tuck the cable away, so it can't accidentally touch the post. This prevents any short circuits. Next, we need to gain access to the Smart Key module. Most modern Kia Sorento models use this system, and our remote start module will connect directly to it. Using your trim removal tools, gently pry the plastic panels from under the steering column. Work slowly to avoid breaking any clips and remove any screws you find. Set the panels aside in a safe place. Now you can locate the Smart Key module, which is often a small black box behind a metal security plate near the ignition. Once you've exposed the module, it's time for the main event, making the connections. Your remote start kit will come with a T-harness, designed to make this as plug-and-play as possible. Find the correct connectors on both your new harness and your vehicle's Smart Key module. Plug the new harness into the module, and then plug the module's original harness into the new one. This creates the T-harness connection. Secure all connections tightly, and use electrical tape to wrap any exposed wires. With the connections made, it's time to mount the new remote start module and tidy up the wiring. Find a secure out-of-the-way spot under the dashboard and use zip ties to mount the module. Route all the wiring neatly, bundling the cables, together with zip ties to prevent rattles or snags. Finally, we're in the home stretch. Reconnect the negative, battery terminal, and tighten the clamp. Now follow your kit's specific instructions for programming the system. This often involves a series of buttons, presses that teach the car's computer to recognize the new system. Once programmed, test the system. Your car should start with the remote command, usually a sequence of presses on your key fob. If it doesn't, don't panic. Recheck your connections and the programming steps. If your remote start isn't working, the most likely culprits are a loose connection, a missed programming step, or an unprogrammed key fob. Reread the instructions and verify all connections are secure. You did it! You successfully installed a remote start on your Kia Sorento. Now you can enjoy the comfort of a warm or cool car without ever having to step outside. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY car projects. Leave a comment below with any questions you have, and I'll see you in the next video.